In today's video, let me walk you through the process of creating an Instagram account. If you've never created or used Instagram and want to do so, let me show you the process that you need to follow. First of all, make sure that you have the Instagram app downloaded through the Play Store or the App Store. Once the app has been downloaded, you can just open up the app and you will be straight away taken to the login section. Now, instead of this, you'll see the option or this button called create new account. You can just tap on this option. Now, there are two ways that you can create your account, either using your mobile number or using your email address. For this video, I'm going to use the email address. In this section, add in your email address that you want to link to your Instagram and then tap on next. Now a confirmation code, which is a 6-digit code, will be sent to this email that you just added in. Just add in the code and then tap on next. Once you've now added in the code, in the next section, you need to create a password. Make sure your password is strong by including numbers, letters, and special characters. You can also tap on this eye icon so that the password is revealed. Once you're done with that and have added in a password which matches these criteria, you can now tap on next. Select your date of birth in this section. And it is time to now add in your full name. This is not the username, but is going to be the display name that is visible on your account. In the next step, you'll be asked to add in a profile picture, but you can also skip this step for now by tapping on the skip option. And then this is the section where you can create a username. A automatic username will be added in, but if you don't want that, you can change it up and make sure that it is available and then tap on next. And there you go, your account of Instagram now has been created. You can head over to the profile section, start filling in your information such as your profile picture, and then add in your bio as well. You can start following people or start following accounts once you have opened it. If you found this video helpful, do let us know by giving it a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe for more future videos just like this.